Let's talk about how to make the world a better place one step at a time to supersize and grow our businesses. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. I don't really think this is an idiom, but it is attributed to Nelson Mandela, and he shared at least 67 different ways that we could make the world a better place one step at a time by doing our part. And this applies not only to just us as individuals, but to us as business owners and entrepreneurs, etc. So I'm going to share a couple of ideas and a couple of examples of businesses that I really like that are making the world a better place through their contributions through different ways of building and growing and doing things outside of themselves. This is the idea, of course, that we have the ability to impact other people, to impact things outside of us. I say what we put out into the world, and I say this a lot, and I say make the world a better place, because why are we building businesses if it isn't to make people's lives and the world a better place? But we get out of life what we put into it. So we want to put good things out into the world so we get good things back for us and those we love and care about. So some of the ways we can do that is we can donate 1-for-1 of every product and service that we sell. There's businesses that do this. That is their business model. Can't remember it. I was just watching, Hallmark with a group of women I was at Round Top in Texas with, and I can't remember the name of the kind, not bonsai, but something like that. It starts with a B, I think, that every pair of underwear or socks that they sell, they donate one to a homeless shelter. There's Tom's, I think it's the shoe company, that for every pair of shoes they sell, they donate a pair of shoes to somebody that needs a pair of shoes. Embrace is another one, that you can do 1-for-1 donations of your products and services. You can use your profits to support those groups and organizations that are important to you or that are important to your customers. You can actually volunteer. You can give donations in the name of your customers. A lot of businesses do that. Instead of sending Christmas gifts or Christmas cards or thank yous, they will donate money in the name of the customer to their favorite charity. You can pick the different charities, etc. You can take on pro bono projects, right? We can all do what we do for free for those in need. We can choose our clients wisely, meaning choose to work with people and serve and help people that are making the world a better place as well. And then we can be a good, authentic person. Guess what? The best way to be and make a positive difference in the world is to be a good example. Show people how to live, how to treat people like you want to be treated, etc. So, love to know your experience with this particular idiom or expression. I think it's more an expression than an idiom. Make the world a better place one step at a time. But at this point, it's probably an idiom because people say it a lot. But we also hopefully are living and believing it a lot. All right, have an awesome day. And I'll, of course, be see you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Because what we put out is what we get back. Have a great day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.